everyone. Welcome to online class. Today's class we are going to learn Unit 2, the Supplementary Reader, The Fun They Had by Isaac Asimov. Now let's see about the author. Isaac Asimov, born on January 2nd, 1920, was an American writer and professor of biochemistry at Boston University. He was known for his work of science fiction and popular science. Asimov was a prolific writer and edited more than 500 books and estimated 90,000 letters and postcards. Asimov wrote hard science fiction along with Robert A. Heinlein and Arthur C. Clarke. He was considered one of the best science fiction writers during his lifetime. We see the lesson now. The fun they had. I would like to ask you some questions. Do you like to come to school or do you like to go with e-learning? Yes, we all like to come to school because here we can learn joyfully. We can meet our friends. This lesson is also about school. It is a science fiction. We can know how the children will learn after 150 years from this fiction. Take page number 150 in your book. See the picture. Here is an imaginary high school class depicted in a French postcard 1901 to 1910. Discuss what do you think have come true in the present century. Now, share your views about the changes that you and your classmates expect in your school and classroom in about 20 to 50 years. Read the story to find out how a student like Margie studies in the year 2157. First paragraph. Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary. On the page headed 17 May 2157, she wrote, "Today Tommy found a real book." It was said in future, that is 2157. Margie was a girl of 11. Tommy was a boy of 13. It was 17th May 2157. That night, Margie wrote her diary. Tommy found a real book. Second paragraph. It was a very old book. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. It was a very old book. Margie's grandfather's grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. Third paragraph. They turned the pages which were yellow and crinkly, and it was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen, you know. And then, when turned back to the page before, it had the same words on it that it had when they read it the first time. Here, the word crinkly means with many folds or lines. Awfully means very extremely. Margie and Tommy turned the pages. The pages were yellow and crinkly. It was very funny to read the book. Margie and Tommy read their lessons on a screen. It was the first time they saw the book. It was a real book. It was very funny to read words that stood still instead of moving. They turned the pages. They found the same words on it. So they felt extremely funny to read the book. Fourth paragraph. Gee, said Tommy, what a waste. When you were through with the book, you just throw it away, I guess. Our television screen must have had 1,000,000 books on it, and it's good for plenty more. I wouldn't throw it away. Tommy expressed with surprise that it was waste to go through the book since they had 1,000,000 books on their television screen. They could throw it away, but they could not throw the television screen. Same with me, said Margie. She was 11 and hadn't seen as many telebooks as Tommy had. He was 13. Already we know Tommy was a boy of 13, Margie was a girl of 11. Tommy had seen many telebooks, but Margie had not seen many telebooks because she was 11. Tommy was 13. She said, "Where did you find it?" "In my house." He pointed without looking because he was busy reading. "In the attic." Margie asked Tommy where he had found that book. He replied that he found the book in the attic. Here, attic means a loft. Page number 151. What is it about school? Margie was scornful. School? What's there to write about school? I hate school. Margie always hated school, but now she hated it more than ever. The mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography, and she had been doing worse and worse until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the country inspector. Here, scornful means feeling or expressing contempt. Margie asked Tommy what it was about. He replied that it was about school. Margie asked him what was there to write about school. Margie hated school because her mechanical teacher had been giving test after test in geography. She had done it very worse, so her mom planned to call the country inspector. Now let's recall. Tommy found an old book in the attic. It was very old. Margie's grandfather's grandfather read it when he was a kid. In that book, all the stories were printed on paper. Margie turned the pages of the book. The pages had turned yellow and crinkly. The words stood still on paper instead of moving on the screen. When they turned back to the page they read before, it had the same words on it. But Margie was used to telebooks. Here, all the lessons flashed on the screen. The computer had millions of telebooks stored on it. Margie had no need to turn the pages. The words simply moved on the screen. As Margie was accustomed to reading telebooks, the old books with printed pages seemed strange to her. The book was about a school. Margie hated school because Margie's mechanical teacher had been giving test after test in geography. She had done it very worst. So her mother planned to call the country inspector. Dear children, the remaining fun will be continued in the next session. Thank you.